you're a very sharp and astute thinker, and I want to use the time that we have to draw you out on what you believe are the issues that the state of West Bengal face at this moment, which you would like resolved or worked on when it comes to politics, when it comes to governance, when it comes to administration, for West Bengal to be one of the key drivers of the India growth story?
Well, I think the first thing I'd like to say is that West Bengal is part of a country. It's part of a whole. And as far as the national policy is concerned, we really can't ask for more. We've had an outstanding budget. We've had an outstanding policy announcement time and again by the Prime Minister, by the Home Minister, by the Finance Minister. Just a couple of days ago, you saw the tweet by the Prime Minister hailing entrepreneurs and saying that the nation needs them. And I think Bengal is part of that. I'm on record to say that after this budget, frankly, every budget we went and said, Dil mange more. This time we are saying, there is not more that we can ask for. It's now for us to perform. It's for us to actually become more competitive, to scale up, to invest in capacity, in research, in services, and actually go forward.
So one of the key challenges facing the Indian economy over the last several years has been the lack of appetite on the part of India Inc. to want to invest in the India story. So overcapacity, lack of adequate demand has impeded new greenfield projects from coming up. To what extent do you think capacity utilization has reached a level where entrepreneurs such as you feel confident about making significant big ticket investment? The government is focusing on public investments in infrastructure. When will private sector start making outlays for fresh investment?
Well, I can say that as far as we are concerned, we've already started looking at investments. We've just announced a major chemical factory, a carbon black factory in Tamil Nadu, which will be a completely robotized plant, completely automated, completely state-of-the-art. We are thinking of adding capacity in distribution and power. We have bid for one of the union territories recently. We are looking at others. So I think we are looking at investment in a very big way. We are adding to our FMCG portfolio. We are adding to our FMCG capacity. We've just made an acquisition in the IT-enabled services space. And I think we are very, very positive on the Indian economy, on the India story, and we are investing strongly in India.